standing behind the fucking barricade. Come on, I don't care if you get fucking hamburgers.
Alright. Get money addict, I'ma get money tatted. Money in the attics, money in the stashes, money in the cabinets, stuffed in the mattress. Safe full of guns, more money up in that shit. Taz on the Tisa, Jeremy Scott Adidas, Mason Martin Margiela, 3-strap sneakers. Riding with a leecher, student and a teacher. It's money over bitches, no room for a skeezer. Thinking of a Lambo, bathing 8 camo. Play with the money, turn Rocky into Rambo. Patience is a virtue, life is a handful. Friends, they'll hurt you. Learned that from my grandfolks, we under a lamppost. While I got my hands closed, Ace in my brains like A's, got it scrambled. Yeah, I feel Rihanna, and I understand, ho. What you think I rap for? To push a fucking Lambo? Now I'm looking back when you said I shouldn't rap. Some slept on me, other niggas took a nap. Now I'm in the basement, probably cooking crack. Gave you teaspoons food, but instead you took your cat. They say Tiger and Diggy, but Rocky been jiggy. Currency from the Wiz ain't enough to get me home. Can't really hate when they compare me to Drake. Could've been J. Cole if I met J-Ho. That ASAP, but I'm fly like I never left. Use a lie like fly without the letter F. If hip-hop is dead, fucking let her rest. Reincarnated through me when she resurrect. Long hair, blue jeans, live on Ustream. High top boots like pop in the juice scene. No, it ain't a movie. Diamonds is my new gleam. Dead tone, cause the red bones is my new things. Nigga, I do things. Let the coop sing. Niggas see I'm insane. Sit down, Hussein. Niggas still jokers. Me, I'm on my blue swing. Fly kicks, my shit. Yeah, I'm on that Luke Kane. I ain't bragging, but I do this. My shoes is Bermudas. I'm bougie in that Gucci, but my nudies is the newest. And your foolishness and rumors, I get 2 shits. I only hear the money, so say the bullshit for the Q-tips. Swag is the coolest, my bitch is the rudest. My jeweler is Jewish, and my wrist is the bluest. And I get it poppin' on the Glock like who kids. ASAP standing on the block like the new kids. ASAP nigga, alright, yeah. ASAP nigga, alright, alright.
Yeah, I know it ain't right, my heart's bound to the right. So when I write, my right hand channels the plight. In hindsight, my sight's blind to light. Invite the night inside my mind to clear up the time. I know it ain't right, my heart's bound to the right. So when I write, my right hand channels the plight. In hindsight, my sight's blind to light. Invite the night inside my mind to clear up the time. With one hand on the gun.
It's a bomb. We'll play that.
Yeah.